celebrities, when they speak in English, they also commit mistake. If you speak wrong English, so what's the problem? When a lot of cricketers, a lot of actors, a lot of actresses, a lot of leaders can commit mistake while speaking in English. They don't fear. Not matter of insulting. Until or unless you speak in English, so how can you observe you are insulted? You think people will insult you, but people don't think they will insult you. It's our own psychology. It's our own tendency. We make, what is the reason behind of not speaking English? Because we advanced thinking. We have advanced thinking. That's why we fear to speak. And one of them what? We think we will be insulted. So many people, so many students think when they speak English, while speaking English, other people insult them. So it is a misconception, nothing else. Hey guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very knowledgeable for all of you. Why? Because in this video we will discuss about a very important topic of English communication. Then guys, what is that topic? Look at why people fear to speak English. Why people fear to speak English. If you have this problem, then please watch this video till the end, and I will also give you solution of this problem. Then in this video guys, we will discuss why so many people or a lot of people fear to speak in English, why they are afraid to speak in English. As we know, a lot of people want to speak in English, a lot of people have desire to speak out in English, but they are not able to speak in English. So what is the reason why they fear to speak in English? So there are mainly three reasons. That's why people can't express their ideas in English communication. And what are these three reasons? Look at. What is the first reason? They speak wrong English. Why people fear to speak in English? Because they think they speak wrong English. Yes, their thinking is correct. If you think you speak wrong English, yes, you speak wrong English. But everybody commit mistakes while speaking in English. Even celebrities, when they speak in English, they also commit mistake. If you speak wrong English, so what's the problem? When a lot of cricketers, a lot of actors, a lot of actresses, a lot of leaders can commit mistake while speaking in English, they don't fear. They speak with confidence. They also don't use English grammar. How they speak? They speak with sense of humor. They speak with only feedback. They speak, you understand or not? And you must have observed, when they speak, they commit mistake. So if you think you speak wrong English, that's why you are not speaking, so that's your fault. Because everybody speaks English, they don't think about mistake, they think about speaking. So similarly, you should think about speaking and never think about wrong English. You don't think you are speaking wrong English. If you think that you are speaking wrong English, so you will be stuck or you must be fumbling that time. So while speaking English, you should never think that you are speaking wrong. So many people stop speaking in English. Why? Because they think their speaking is wrong or they speak wrong English. That's their problem. If this is also your problem, so remove it as early as possible. Because you are not only one who is committing mistake in English communication. but also thousands of people commit mistake while speaking in English. So you don't think only you are committing. That's why so many people fear to speak English. Why? What is the first reason? They think they speak wrong English. Now let's talk about the second reason. What is the second reason people fear to speak English? They are insulted. That's the second reason. So many people, a lot of people and many students, what they consider that when they speak English, they are insulted. So it is not matter of insulting. Until or unless you speak in English, so how can you observe you are insulted? You think people will insult you, but people don't think they will insult you. It's our own psychology. It's our own tendency. We make, what is the reason behind of not speaking English? Because we advanced thinking. We have advanced thinking. That's why we fear to speak. And one of them what? We think we will be insulted. So many people, so many students think when they speak English, while speaking English, other people insult them. So it is a misconception, nothing else. Nobody will insult you if you like I am speaking at this time. So it may be possible if I think that my viewers, my audience, and my well-wishers will insult me. So it is not like this. Are you insulting me? You must be listening me, na? So while speaking, it may be possible I am committing mistake, but you will not insult me. Nobody will insult you. When you go for an interview, na, you think the person who asks you question in English, he or she will insult you. It is wrong. They will also not insult you. You should go for interview and you should speak whatever English you know. And if you speak them with confidence, you will be selected. You will be what? Hired, not fired. So first of all, two things. What is the first reason people fear to speak English? They speak wrong. They think and they speak, don't think. If you speak wrong, don't think, just speak out. Second thing, they are insulted. And the third point, what? They underestimate themselves. They underestimate themselves. So third reason why people fear to speak English, because they have already thought and they underestimate themselves. They think other people speak good English. They think other people speak fluent English. They are very fluent. They have very fluency in their communication. Like other people speak fantastic English, and they don't fear to speak in English. They are not afraid to speak in English. Like other people can impress to anybody in English. Other people have good command over English. So what so? In this way, you should underestimate yourself. You should not underestimate yourself, because you have capacity and power to speak English. If you underestimate yourself, God will not help you, because it is said God helps those who help themselves. So try to help yourself. Don't underestimate yourself. If you underestimate yourself, you think anybody will come to you and motivate you. It is not so. Nobody can motivate you until or unless you motivate yourself. You can watch a lot of videos on motivations. I can challenge you for some time, for few seconds. You will think that I should do like this. After watching action movie, you can also think I'm also an action hero. For some time, you must have seen any action movie. So after watching that movie, for some time, for some moment, a few minutes, you think I should also be superhero. I should also be an action hero. It is only some time excitement. After that, there is no any motivation. So this motivation you don't need. What kind of motivation you need? You need forever motivation. and forever motivation comes from inner, not outer, isn't it? So remember, don't underestimate yourself. So there are 3 reasons which I told you why people fear to speak English. First is that they think they speak wrong English, that's why they stop speaking English. And the second is what? Look at, they are insulted, they feel they are insulted. And the third one, they underestimate themselves. So whenever you speak English and while speaking English, don't think about these 3 topics, then you can speak. If you remove all these things while speaking in English, if in your you have mindset, if you have made your mind these 3 problems, so remove them, then look at the change. After removing them, you can observe yourself, now you can speak in English. So guys, that's for today. If you liked this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and comment in comment box that you want many more videos on these, these type of. If you really liking this, then only you can comment. That's it for today. Jai Hind.